Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make a delicious ofe Nsala. I will be using stockfish. I'll transfer the stockfish inside a large bowl. Add salt, hot water. I'll leave the stockfish to soak for some time before using it. You can also soak it overnight as well. I will be using onions, peppers. I'll add the onions inside a blender and blend it roughly. The onions is done. I'll add the peppers and grind the peppers. Next, I'll be using goat meat. I'll season with onions, peppers, season cubes, salt. Stir to combine everything together. You may use any meat of your choice. Once the meat is well stirred, I'll cover it, leave it to cook in its own juice on a low heat for 15 minutes. Next, I'll be using yam for thickener for the soup. I'll slice the yam and peel it. I'll cut the yams into small pieces so they can cook easily. And leave them to stay inside water so they don't turn brown. The meat is been steam cooking now for 15 minutes. I'll add the stockfish. Add enough water to cook the meats and stir. I'll add the yams at this point so they can cook together. You can also cook the yams separately if you prefer. Cover and allow them to cook. Other ingredients I'll be using is stock cube, dry shrimps, uziza seeds, ogiri, Eden fruits, dried fish. I'll transfer the uziza seed inside a dry blender and blend. That is done. Next, I'll check to see what is going on inside the pot. At this point, the yams are ready. I will take them out. The meats are not done. I'll cover and allow the meat to continue to cook. Transfer the yams inside a blender and blend. You can use a mortar to pound the yam as well. The yam is nicely grounded. I'll add the grounded yam inside the pot. Add the shrimp powder or crayfish, grounded uziza seeds, Eden fruit, dried fish, ogiri. I'll give it a quick stir and I'll cover, allow them to cook nicely until the yams are well dissolved. The soup is been cooking now for some time. I will check, and at this point the yams are well dissolved. I will add in uziza leaves. If you get to the right consistency you like and the yam is not all dissolved, you can remove the other pieces of the yam inside the soup. You can taste, adjust the seasoning if needed. I will remove the Eden fruit and save it for another recipe. And at this point, the soup smells amazing. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. And this is the perfect consistency for me because the soup will thicken up when it cools down. And the soup is ready. Next, I have some water boiling. I will take out some of the hot water. I will be making pounded yam to eat the white soup. I will add some yam powder, stir it until everything comes together. Once it's well stirred, there are no more lumps. I'll remove the spatula. Add some of the hot water we took out earlier on. Cover and allow it to cook for 15 minutes on a low heat. 15 minutes later, stir it very well until it comes together. And the pounded yam is ready. I will remove it from the pot and I'll serve. The food is ready. This soup was very delicious. If you enjoy watching this video, give the video a thumbs up, share it to your friends, tell me what you like about this video. Also tell me where you're watching me from. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video.